Hey, I thought I'd make a quick little video on setting up your classes in Google Classroom. First thing, go to google.com. You'll be at the Google page, and then go over here to the right side, that little icon. Click on it. It should be your Tipton County account. If it's not, then you need to log out of one and sign on to that one. So I got like klane at tiptoncounty.com. Make sure you're in that one. Then click on the little waffle here, and this is going to show all of your Google apps. Click on, if you don't see Google Classroom, scroll down because there's a lot more apps. Click on Google Classroom. Alright, this is going to take you to your page for your classes. Yours will be blank if you haven't done any, and I think it'll say student. Are you a student or are you a teacher? Mark, I am a teacher. It's going to take you, and it says create class. So you go up here to the plus sign, and you want to create a class. Type your class name. I'll just do demo 3. You can fill out the rest of this if you want to. You don't have to. Creating. Takes it a second. Alright, so here's your class. Here you can select theme, and if you want to change the theme, you can do that. If you want to upload a picture there, you can. You just need to make sure it fits that area. This is the class code. For some people, if you want to make it big, you can click that right by the code there. And just say in your class, you could project that up on your screen and have the kids take out their mobile device and sign on Google Classroom, put that code in, and it'll put them in the classroom. The only thing is you got to make sure that they're in their Google account for the school, because if they're in something else, it's going to mess up. What I suggest you do is go over to the People tab and add your kids in there. Click Add, and I don't know if there's a way, it would be great if there is, that it automatically uploads from Skyward, but I'm not sure. So, you just decide which way you want to do that. So when I do that, it's going to pop up here, so I know it's right. Okay? And when I click invite, it says it's sending in my email, but basically when he goes into Google Classroom, it'll he will already be there. When he pulls up his classroom page, classes, he's going to have all his classes on his page. Okay. I'm going to pull up mine. I've been playing with it. Okay, this first page is your stream page. You can put all your announcements here. If you want the kids to make comments on here or make any post and comment, you can. That's totally up to you. You would go up here to the gear, click on that, and go down to General, and where stream, students can only comment, or students can post and comment, or only teacher can post and comment. So whatever you want to do, make sure you click that there. Classwork on stream. Go over here and click on hide notifications, because if you don't, it's going to put all your assignments on the same page as your announcements, and it gets a mess. Let's see. Garden summaries, that's if you want to send the parents, if you set them up on emails, you can send your parents a notice anytime something's missing. So that's up to you. Down here, grading, click weighted by category, and then put your weights in there. Okay. And then click save. All right. So this will just be announcements that you've got here. It'll also show any work that's coming up due in the next few days. All right. The people page will be you and then any students that have added on. Grades. Anytime somebody turns something in, it's going to show up. Like this one, I haven't graded it yet. I can view submission. And this is a different type of account. It's over on another website from another Nearpod activity I used. Okay, so I would get it there and come back and enter it. Okay, so I could click there and type in their grade. But if it was a Google Doc, you could click there and it would take you to Google Drive, and anything that the kid attached or anything that you put in their folder and they completed, it would be there. Okay. All right. Let's see, classwork. This is the main page where you put all your assignments. If you want to create an assignment, you click create. You can do an assignment, a quiz, a question. And then if you do a question, you're going to have to make sure that they can comment. Okay. Materials, so if you want to attach any resources or anything. Topic, this is going to be what you call your title, your folders that you're putting your assignments and quizzes and everything in. I do all my topics as the week, the date, so that everything that we're doing that week's going to be in this folder. Okay. If you want to break it down and just list every assignment you're going to do from now on under there, that's up to you. I just think this makes it a little easier. Assignment, let's see, Google Calendar. If you look there, it'll show any assignments that are listed that are due. They have a due date on them. You can also attach your Google Calendar to your Google website. So on their website, they can click and look at the calendar and see when something's due. Let's see, Google Drive folder. This is going to be where everything in the class is at. So, like, this is stuff that I've done. And if you have signed something to the kids and you gave every one of them a copy, then it's going to be showing in there when it's turned in. Like this one, this homework, Johnny Doe, he did that and turned it in. And he turned it in blank. All right. But you can go back and look at them there. All right. Close that. Close that. And then your assignments, you can click the three little dots here to the right and you can edit. You can go in and edit it and make any changes. We'll just say that you wanted to do your due date. You wanted to put a due date on there, you could. Right here on for all students, you can leave it for all students, or you can go over there and say, okay, I don't want Dr. Courtney Fee to do that one, so take her off. Or I can go back and say, oh no, let everybody do it. So if you're differentiating, you can just assign it to one kid or a group of kids. So if you're making any changes, you can do that there. And I suggest that you look at the video for the kids so you can see what it looks like on their side and how they're turning something in. All right. So yeah, just get in there and play with it. It's the best thing you can do. The way I learned it, I just got on YouTube and watched all the videos I could. All right. And just played with it. Trial and error. All right, if you have any questions, though, feel free to come see me. Thanks.